Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. To face death with the courage of Daniel. July 28th. We must have the courage of our convictions. I thank thee and praise thee, O God of my fathers, who hast given me wisdom and might, and hast made known unto me now what we desire of thee. For thou hast now made known unto us the king's matter. Daniel chapter 2 verse 23. Our God is, and he is a rewarder of them that diligently seek him. Daniel sought the Lord when the decree went forth to slay all the wise men of the kingdom of Babylon, because they could not relate or interpret a dream which had gone from the king's mind. Nebuchadnezzar demanded not only the interpretation of the dream, but the relation of the dream itself. They declared that the request of the king was something unreasonable, and the test beyond that which had ever been required of any man. The king became furious and acted like all men who have great power and uncontrollable passion. He decided that every one of them should be put to death, and as Daniel and his fellows were numbered with the wise men, they also were to share in this fate. Daniel came before the king and pleaded for time to bring this matter before the Supreme Court of the universe, from whose decision there could be no appeal. When his request was granted, Daniel laid the whole matter before his companions, who were united with him in worshipping the true God. The matter was fully considered, and on their bending knees they pleaded that God would give them the power and wisdom that would alone avail them in their great necessity. Then was the secret revealed unto Daniel in a night vision. Then Daniel blessed the God of heaven. I would impress upon the youth that Daniel's God is their God, and whatever difficulties may arise, let them do as did Daniel, desire mercies of God of heaven. God will not fail his church in the hour of her greatest peril. He promised deliverance. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God,